In this video, we are going to be comparing head-to-head from Jotform versus Microsoft Forms, as you can see in the center. And finally, we have Docus versus Tally. So all these are going to be in comparison. As you can see, we have our Jotform. So creating form is literally going to be really fast, like blazing speed. You can click on form and click start from template, and boom, your form is created. All you need to do is simply change some font, add different fields, and you're good to go. As you can see, it is basically already done, and you can even straight away share it as well. Copy link, and boom, it is done. Similarly, for Google Forms, you can see we can add in here information. We do not have any templates for this, so this is the biggest drawback for Google Forms. So it is really not recommended, because you can see you have a few options to add section. You can add a few things, but I'm not really happy with how the flexibility is in Google Forms. This is neat, but really low amount of features. So in Dockers, you do have a lot of features as well, and you can see we have multiple information, statistical charts, view in different type of graphs. So it is also really attractive and offers ton of features. So same goes for Tally. You can see the flexibility. You can change buttons, layouts, add images. You can see you can add cover. Let me just do that in here to show you. So let's just say if I want to add any type of images, like for example, let's just choose this for the sake of this video. And you can see it is now added. How good this look? You can add title, like for example, new form for video. Sorry about that. And you can simply share it as well. You can publish it. You do not even need to do anything crazy about it. Add your stuff. So this is also really amazing. So on top is of course Jotform, which I really recommend. You can also get 50% discount on that using the link in the description below. So I hope this comparison was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.